Hey everybody, I'm sure you've all seen weighted vests on Instagram and on all the sites. It's actually supposed to be really good for you, especially in midlife, because we tend to be losing muscle faster than we're building muscle. So we need to seize the opportunities to build muscle. And one easy way to incorporate building muscle and bone density and fighting insulin resistance is by using a weighted vest. So I actually ordered one and from Amazon, and I'm going to unbox it for you right now. So let's take a quick look at what's in the box. All right, in here, what have we got? We've got, oh, it's heavy. I got something to stretch. This is actually to stretch my legs out while I'm on the floor, right? And then in here, this box inside the box is actually a weighted vest. It's really heavy. They say you're supposed to start at about, in order for it to be really beneficial, that it should be 10% of your body weight. However, a sister got to work up to that. So, oh, it's heavy. This is going to take some adjustment, but I think I started with 12 pounds. And I'm going to start wearing it pretty much everywhere I go. When I'm going for a walk, whether I'm sitting at my desk working, but sometimes again, you have to work up to it. So it looks like it's got this pocket in the back. I guess you could put something in there if you wanted to, but that would be hard to do since it's behind you. So, I almost knocked myself out. I am putting it on just like that, and there's room for the girls to not get too squished. Feels fairly comfortable. You can adjust it as you need to, but I think that's just about right for me. And I got black because, you know, if I'm going to be out walking in this heat and perspiring, then what I don't want is to get a light color and get deodorant on it and leave marks. So I'm gonna walk around with it for a while and I'll let you guys know how it is. But we gotta do whatever we gotta do. I work from home, as I've told you guys. I'm sedentary a lot. I try to get out and hit some exercise classes up on the weekend. We've had so much rain here in Georgia. We get into this summertime weather pattern where it is very hot during the day. The heat builds up in the atmosphere, and then by the time you come out in the afternoon, the sky looks like steel, and then it's severe thunderstorms. So that can kind of hinder your rhythm. And then also, I got a few side hustles. So I don't always get a chance to go to the gym class I prefer to go to. So this allows me to still build muscle and do my little workouts at home as well. So we've got to find ways and not excuses to move our bodies the way we need to, because it's going to help us to thrive and not just survive. How many of you want to thrive in midlife and not just survive? How many of you want to have quality of life for your quantity of days? I know I do. So let's do our part. Let's get active. Let's get moving and get your weighted vest. Let's do this.